It's not just anybody that gets a hit put on them by a big firm like the outfit. I was moving up in the world. Maybe it was time to pay him a visit. Carter wouldn't be expecting that. And who knows? I might even get my money back.
I'd like to go out of town later on and, well, we could have a quickie and a chat.